Hello everyone, it's Eve and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a vlog type, obviously, but I'm starting it right now, which is around 10:30 p.m. because the actual vlog material is tomorrow and we have to leave really early, and I am afraid we're not gonna have enough time to start this video tomorrow, so I want to give a little bit of explanation of what we'll be doing. So here's the thing. A few months ago, it was the beginning of March, Nick, my hubby, had a birthday and I decided to get him something a bit more exciting that is not going to be just an item that we have to stick in another shelf, but something like an experience, because I don't think we've ever done this before. And we are going to fly an actual airplane, like a real airplane, and it's going to be a small one just for 2 passengers. He'll be in the front and he'll be the one getting the lesson, because I know that he's really excited about such things, and it was a really cool surprise on my end, in my opinion. We'll have to see what he thinks about it. And because the flight is going to be quite long, I actually get to be on it as well. It will be slightly bigger, not just for 2 people, but 3, including the actual pilot who'll be giving the lesson. So I'll be able to be there as well, and we are going to fly over this amazing place called the 7 River Lakes, and it's an amazing place, not just beautiful but very spiritual. A lot of people visit it and I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like from high up there. I'm gonna insert a few pictures just so you can see what it's about. And as I already mentioned, we have to leave really early tomorrow because it's outside of the city and we have to be there before 9:30. So this is just a very quick explanation of what we'll be doing, and the rest is just going to be a nice little video because I definitely wanted to document this and commemorate this. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Are you excited?
Yep.
What are your expectations?
To fly?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You definitely have the chance to do that. happy?
Yep.
With your present? That it's not something else we get to shove in a cabinet?
Yes. Yes, it's awesome.
It's awesome. Dream come true! Yay!